Hi, everyone. It's Michael Stribling here again, the Clinical Director of CCB Counseling Services, continuing our video series on normalizing therapy. Today, I want to share with you what you can expect and what you can do to prepare for your first meeting with your therapist for the first time. So the very first meeting is going to be a little different than all the other meetings you'll have. Therapists call that an intake, and it's basically us getting to know you by asking you a bunch of questions about your life. Who's in your life, what you like about your life, what you want to change about your life, what stressors you're having, how those symptoms and stressors are impacting you. We're going to ask some questions about your health history, things like that. So you may want to just start thinking about an overall picture of who you are, what you like about yourself, what you want to try to change about yourself, and maybe some other data about your life from your past history. So how long is the session? The first session is generally an hour, sometimes shorter, sometimes longer. And then each session after that can range from 45 minutes to an hour. That's a therapeutic hour we call the 45 minutes. So keep in mind, time goes pretty fast. Sometimes the times go slow in therapy sessions, depending on what you're experiencing, where you are emotionally, and just how things are going in your life. The first thing to know about your first visit is you're going to be nervous probably because we are people who don't know each other. We're going to be asking you private questions. And what I highly recommend is that you trust the person you're going to and feel comfortable in that vulnerability to share private, privileged information with this person. What to wear? It's important that you be comfortable. Obviously, if you're driving to therapy during work and you can't change, that's fine too. As long as you're comfortable, that's what matters most to a therapist in all things. Even if you meet your therapist for the first time and you don't think it's a good fit, we are all trained as part of our profession to be told that fact. So it's 100% okay if you meet a therapist and you just think, no, this isn't a good fit for me, to tell that person that fact. You can't hurt their feelings, and they will then help you if you desire to find a new therapist, or you can go out and find a new therapist on your own. I know you're going to be nervous the first time you go, and that's a normal experience. You may be even nervous the second or third time you go, and that's a normal experience. Eventually, it will feel like you're talking to somebody that has known you forever, and it will be one of the most life-changing, empowering moments in your life when you find just that peace and that acceptance from someone who accepts you exactly who you are. Really appreciate you watching our video today. Thank you for checking in with our YouTube channel. You can do that by going to our website at www.ccbin.org and normalize therapy. It's a really good thing.